Hey, my friend, it's Miles Segers coming back at you one more time. Hey, listen, you're not going to believe this, my friend. I just shot a video for you explaining to you, sharing with you how I earned $1,000 last night while I should have been sleeping. Yes, I was awake at 1 o'clock in the morning, doing a few things on my computer, which I love to do, helping people. But at 1 o'clock in the morning last night, it's Sunday evening right now, I earned $1,000. So basically, I should have been sleeping, but I wasn't. Anyway, if you saw the video, my friend, this is part 2 of the video. Now, the reason why this is part 2 of the video is because it can't get any more real than this. I just finished shooting the video. I popped it up on my YouTube channel. I'm going to even show you. This is just too incredible. And I want more people to know about this. I want to help change lives. Listen, maybe you're looking to improve your life. You're looking to earn extra money. All those things, pay off the bills. Listen, I want to help you, but I can't want it more than you do. Does that make sense? You have to want it for yourself as well. Anyway, check this out. So I was on my YouTube channel. In fact, you can see it right here. I just finished editing the video. Okay, it's right here. It's on my YouTube channel. It's only got 3 views right now because I just put it up there. Okay, so again, it's on my YouTube channel. I'm going to take you to my dashboard. It's important that I show you this. Okay, this is my YouTube channel, by the way. So if you get a chance to check it out, I'd appreciate it. Anyway, so it's brand new. I have multiple YouTube channels. I've been online for a number of years. So I have other YouTube channels. I have quite a bit, actually. But this is a brand new one because I wanted to start a YouTube channel from scratch. I want to be able to show my coaching students and my team members how to build out a YouTube channel from scratch. That's why I created the brand new one, because some people were asking me, Miles, you got plenty of content out there, brother. Why are you starting a new YouTube channel? Well, this is why. I want to make this quick. So check this out. So this video, okay, check this out. 34 minutes ago. I created this video 34 minutes ago. Why is that important? Why is that important? I'm going to show you why. Listen, I was literally, I'm upstairs in my home office right now. I was literally getting ready to go downstairs and have a little dinner. And you know me, I probably like you check your phone quite a bit. I check my email quite a bit. So I refreshed my email like I did in the last video. I refreshed it again. And wouldn't you know it, check this out. I'm going to refresh my email right now again, but I refreshed my email a couple of minutes ago and look at what I saw. Using this system that I've been telling you about, this unlimited, what I call an unlimited income system, because listen, you can create any type of income you want. With this system, you don't have a boss. You are the boss. You know, you can create the type of income that you want. So check this out. In fact, I haven't even opened the email yet. I can see what it says. You can see what it says, but another $1,000 payment. Another $1,000, not payment, but commission to me. Listen, the system I'm sharing with you, you know, I don't have time to talk a lot about it in this video because I don't like to make my videos very long. I like to keep your interest. I'll do a follow-up. I'll even do another one. But this system is for anyone that's looking to break through online. Anyone that's been overwhelmed, and there's so many pieces to the online marketing space, they don't know how to put it together. So what we've done is we've created an automated system for you. And real quickly, because you might be asking, Miles, that's great, but how does it work? How do you do it? How do you earn money online? We're going to teach you all of that in the system, but to make it real short and quick, here's what we do. The system that I'm talking about provides online digital marketing education. Essentially, this system will teach you, it is so cool, my friend. It will teach you how to earn money online. Okay, so that's number 1. It's an education system. And number 2, you will get the rights to promote that system. You will get the rights to share those courses, those trainings with other people. So this way you can go out there and you can promote anything. You can take this knowledge, this education that you're going to get from the Funnel X system, and you can apply it to anything. So again, click on the link. What do you have to lose? Except maybe you might be losing $1,000 commissions that you could be making on the weekend like me. Listen, I want to work with you. I want to help you. Okay? I'm going to keep giving you value, sharing content with you, and giving you a chance to change your life. Because you can do it, my friend. Listen, you can definitely do it. I've done it. I have hundreds of team members around the world that have done it. You can do it as well. So again, what does that make now this week? It's so far. It's Sunday evening. It's 7:55 a.m. I'm sorry, 7:55 in the evening. Already earned $2,000, not doing anything. You see, I set up my system, this machine. I set it up. It's automated. It does its thing. It starts working, and the commissions start coming in. Anyway, my friend, I'm going to go downstairs and eat. Miles Segers, I will see you, my friend, at the top. Take care.